Autumn weddings, we're always looking for interesting new options for centerpieces. At Floral Design Institute, we love the lantern. Today, I'll share how to do the inside-outside design. The mechanics, a standard lantern, and then 2 igloos. These are pre-soaked with flower food in the water. Then igloo strips. And as you work, you'll attach a strip and then attach one igloo to the interior and bring the other one and attach it to the exterior. I find it easiest to do the interior first and get it assembled, thinking about how it will fit inside and your placement, and covering the mechanics, getting some of the foliage in first, making sure that the cage will be concealed, just small bits. And then coming back, a little bit of vine maple to give it that autumn essence with the leaves. And then tucking in the flowers, just a few at a time, and very, very tightly compact, because you don't want it to fill the entire interior of the lantern. But you do want that color and beauty. Maybe some of the spray roses, tucking them down low. And then for a bit of interest, even a tiny bit of the kangaroo paw. Bringing in that green and red and focusing it in the emphasis area. When it's complete, add a single igloo strip to the back and then pull that off so that you can set it inside right against the glass and press firmly to adhere it in place. Then taking the exterior, a single strip, pull it off, and then place it right against the first one. And now you're ready to design the exterior. For the exterior, you can go a little taller, a little fuller, add some drama, some calycina coming up and out, repeating it coming down to create movement. Then even tucking some into the center to visually pull that together. Then coming back with roses and yarrow, matching the interior colors. Even a little bit of the kangaroo paw to get that green and red. Then if you're going to leave the door open, you can even take a small bit and tuck it in, letting it trail outward, pulling that color through. Then repeat with additional blooms, autumn leaves, a little bit more foliage until it's full and lush. As you finish, look at it from all sides. Make sure that you have covered all the mechanics. You want the illusion that it just magically grew through. Turn it and double check the sides that you've filled in, because if it's a centerpiece, people are going to be seeing it from all angles. So you want to make sure and fill it in, keep that illusion going, and finish it off. The recipe, I started with 2 igloos and 2 igloo strips, then added a bit of vine maple and 3 stems of Israeli ruscus. Then for the flowers, I have 3 stems of spray roses, 5 stems of the cottage yarrow, 2 stems of calycina, and 1 stem of kangaroo paw to add just that little bit extra texture. You can stop here, and it's beautiful. Or if you want to add a little bit of ambiance, take a battery-operated candle, tuck it inside, and you're ready to go. For more creative inspiration, check out our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now it's your turn. Find your favorite lantern. Create inside and outside. Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.